One day, Hiccup fell seriously ill and had to stay in bed, too weak to move. Meanwhile, the dragon noticed Hiccup hadn't come outside and started to worrying. He felt tired and restless, missing his adventures and time with his dragon. Sensing something was wrong, the dragon rushed to Hiccup's home. When he entered the room and saw Hiccup lying quietly in bed, he gently sat beside him, his eyes full of concern. The dragon stayed close, bringing warmth and comfort. He even helped by handing over medicine and watching over Hiccup all day, refusing to leave his side. Their bond grew even stronger, proving that real friendship shines brightest in difficult times.